Hello, Lele. Everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Tuiano, and we are Palei siblings, Palei sister-in-laws, and my parents. Please, it's very hard for us, but we'll try our best to speak to God on behalf of my brother and share a memory of Paleiono. Tapu pēmā sa te tau pule, aka te kāma mau siasi, ka tapu atu kuku mei ki tana, ma whāmiri ona kotoa, tonga kotoa ka mo ki tau tolu e hongi. Ka taku peko ki lea whakapālangi, ki whai ngufua mau lea. I'd like to introduce us. The oldest of us is my sister Naenae, Palei Tuiano, a special need in the Queen of our family. And after her, Sione Tuiano. And then Georgie, a black Fijian brother somewhere behind the scenes. And then Solomone, and then me. And then Palei after me. But Sisi taha ko una on the side. My brothers just behind us here. I'll speak in Tongan and English, but kitala no peke mau tupake family masiva. Ko Paleiono, nai mahino peke mau family, he mamo ia ke mau kilotu. Sa tonga ho eki. Hangepe mo mea ini mau ia ke hiva. Tapi ni lava e taleni te mo family ka hiva whakalotu. Nea koe mai mau kui. Ke mamo ia ke lotu. Pumoana pesa si ke mau whahiva. Our family, we don't have any talent. The only talent that we're known for is for singing in church. And it's really hard for my siblings. We can't dedicate a song because it's not the same without my brother Palei. But we'll speak on how we grew up with him. My relationship with my brother, we were frenemies, me and him. He was the brother that constantly asked for money for the keys for my van. They stole my cream and my lotion and perfume. I know Eggy have them. When money goes missing from my mum's purse, it's always Paleiono. He was that brother. Walk into the room, we'll be angry at him, and Palei would just say, "Hello, Mum," like nothing happened. We can never stay mad at Palei. Palei was the biggest mummy's boy and the biggest daddy's boy. Ko e tamasi pēni nei ofalai tahai. E mau ngomaitua. Ko taimela e whatafuru matole mau whae he hiva. Ko mau whahanga whangahi e mau whae he lomo. Ko Palei nei kaipeke lawe lehe ki mau whae. E toki ali o toki tangi ke mau whae ne ita. He mau hanga ngahi ia. Ko mata mai. Ko ngawe whakuta mai whai ngata atu whaafo i ki a Sione mo solo. Kei kena lawa e nā ngau ko Palei taha pene wha ngawe mo mata mai. He never complained once helping my dad at work. Although he was tired, he was always different. He's the different one out of all of our siblings. He's the one that loved my parents the most. The one that stole Wane's money and traded it for her cards and bought her cards. But the one that loved me none the most, my children. And I'll just pass it on to my brothers. I love you, Ba. This is not a goodbye. I'm going to miss you. I'm really weak at the moment. To a point that I find it hard, struggling trying to talk and walk, but you've made me stronger, and thanks to my family. Puka peki whainga mali no ke whakamalo ke family ko whae. Moala matakoni ke ilo pene. Ene masiva. Mo vahe mai ne mamahi. Moala takoni mai. Pehe peki whani ko tamai mo lava mai fola mai mi tonga. ke halea whiunga, ka ke whakamalope whakawhawhonga I wonga mātua. Mo masifa, mini masifa, mo manuia piki eiki, and if waki my family offer. My family, takoni mai ka mautolu. Thank you to my family. Thank you to you all for coming today. There's no, honestly, no words that can describe how happy and overwhelmed we are. But we love you all. God only take best. And to my brother, this is not a goodbye. I'll see you later. And I love you and miss you heaps.
My name is Tuiano. I'm the oldest sibling. Testimony on my brother Palei. He was really tough anyway. Growing up, if we would eat, if there's not enough food, Ba will sacrifice himself not to eat so we can eat. Not once did he complain. That was Ba. I'm in so much pain. I am hurting. But his personality is helping me to move on from what has happened. And my family and friends, thank you so much for your love and support. I am going to use every one of you to get through. But Paleiono, I never got a chance to tell you I love you. I really do love you, but I hope you know that. And for all the older siblings, don't be afraid to tell each other you love each other. Tell your little brothers you love them. Because one day, when they're gone, what's the point of saying I love you and you can't hear you? Thank you.
I talk to Ba like we're twins. Commonway is Talahui. I used to talk to Ba. I didn't talk like that to Sione and Solo. Yeah, Ba was close. He knows it. I am hurt inside. And I'm hurt outside. But I'm glad Ba left me when I was hurt. I was the driver on my new van. The van that I love, the van that Ba died in. I don't believe myself because I have a God that I believe in. And I know my God brings him into this world, and he's the God that brings him. I don't blame myself, Ba. My mom and they all hid it for a week for me. Me and my wife need to have a prayer in the morning. And we have a prayer enough. In 3 years we'll be married now, and we'll don't need that prayer. For that 1 week they hid Ba that night for me. I pray, my prayer was in this, starting from Ane, coming down to Sione, Solo, Simba, when it gets up to Ba and his family, I would cry. I don't know why. Once my mom told me on Sunday, I started putting everything together. And it hurt me. So that Saturday night, we celebrated Santa's baby's 3rd birthday. And I came down to my van to have a street, barking with onion gorilla. And when they came into the van, I was sleeping. I locked up. And he gets food, I open up. Like, what is it? He goes, pour my two in the car. Well, they wait for Judy and Santa to put it together, and I cannot talk about it. I try to help him. I always pushed him. I always told him, "Pa, go to church. Look at us. We're going to church." We had this thing called lakanga. I don't know what we call it in English. I used to push him. He used to tell me, "Shut up, dude." We were real close like this, but I used to push him. I know. And what hit me was when he pulled his spoon into the car, and they were doing the Paleiono, but Pa came into my car, and I told Pa, "Take them to my car, spend time with him." He said, "No, they didn't go in the car." I didn't know that was Pa's last time. Sometimes I dream, and I see how we were in town, and it hurts deep in my heart. Then when we had the crash, the big doctor told me, when we put you in the helicopter, your mind switched off. Well, he said, you died for a period of time. That hurt me, because I asked him, I was like, how would you know that? And he goes, do you have memory of the crash? And I said, no. Do you dream of the crash? I said, yes. Do you get aftershocks up to now? I said, yes. He said that I died for a little while, but I came back. So what's going through my mind is God sent me back. And all I think was, let you go. You don't be happy. I'll stay. I can have you too. I will go with you. I will see you again, Mama. I'll have you rested with me. I love you.
Kore beke whangai watapo o tono kawagat me mwani a tāwe mō ke whahamu ki Manatu Melie whaos si te hina koni e kong kore whamore mōre a pē tuki Manatu Melie whapārang on the 2nd of this month, Sunday morning, it's the first Sunday that our church ministers move around. So we go on a conference and then we get called to different destinations. So on the 1st of July, they have to move if they've been called to move to a different destination and be at this destination by the 1st of July, or the first Sunday of July. What a Sunday, or what a day this is going to be. A memorable one. Because on that very morning, I got a phone call from my dad telling me that my three brothers got into an accident in one of the church boys. Then he told me it was in Upper Hutt, and then he said, can you please go to them because I'm here with the kids, your mum and your sister-in-laws that were left to go to the hospital. And before he hung up, he said, Solo, they're not in Lower Hutt, they're in Wellington. So I rang my wife and I asked her, please come back down and look after our son so I can go and check up on Sione, Una and Palei. Now she came down and she knows because I've got a person that the way I think is I jump, anything that someone tells me I react different, or in Tongan it's called Lotopuna. So when they came and told me, I drove to the hospital, got to the hospital and found out the news, and I didn't take it very well. But was happy that when God called Palei Tuiano and left, and I was happy that he left me 2 more brothers, so we can live this rest of our journey until God calls us to go. I used to remember when we have a Whawha Melie, which is a family prayer, and then we bring up problems or we'll argue or we'll get some sad news. I'll be the first one to get up and walk away, and I'll go and cry in my room. And when I get up, everyone already knows that I'm going to cry, because I'm the emotional brother. And Palei was an emotional person as well, just didn't show it in front of everyone else. Like Sione said, us brothers were really, really tight with each other, but that stubborn love, we will never say I love you to each other. I guess it's never too late to say, Palei, I love you. Because the hardest news to an older brother or an older sibling to find out is when your younger sibling is gone. But at the end of the day, it's God's plan. Even though I disagree to the way it was done, but I do accept God's plan. I'd like to thank every single one of you for attending today. I thought I was the famous good-looking brother, but obviously found out today that I was the smart brother and not the good-looking one. And also not the famous one. With the amount of people that's turned up today, showing your love means a lot to this poor family who cannot find words to describe how thankful we are. And may God show it in your hearts, the strength that He has strengthened us. And thank you very much.
Family, muahi opa ko toa pe, te whakahoko atu, mupai e tama, lava mea ko toa Palei, anga pe Palei o tanu pe Palei. I ho mo opa, ako, kai ke te to ilo ka te rea e whai ko toa malo atu pe ka muto. Te heke e hana e, Talanoa ke Palei, ko ta pe talanoa e tamaiki, lea take tamaiki. Ko au ko pae, ko ki tamasi ko ni, Palei na ia ma ke he te me tamaiki. Pau te lau ane ko lau a, ko ti e tahe me lea, ka pau te lau ka lau tolo teke e mea koe hiva, mo mea koe ina pene pa ki hiva pe mau tiasi, mo mea, Nau te lau mai nau tōria, te kua aku mea mai rotu, asti ngai toko singi mo mea taimi te whenga atu koe ke te hiva, Nemo pere o wang. Tila ita ko tamai ka. Ini hati na pari ka. Oh, pia. Itu kira aku lewat. Obat bukan nontonan. Mas team and friend. Sorry, I'm too confused and I lost my English. Like as I say, I love you. Thank you all.
Malot. Ya lia koe o malo pe. Malo ke kule kwa kunua. Malo ke no koe ke tau. O malo kai na opo katoa. Kai ki lawa ke wapa matawa. I'd like to thank you all, Palei's friends. Thank you all, the two sides of the family. And also some of the new faces that I've seen. I realize now how many friends and back up. And I wish I can talk all night and try to say thank you to you all. But the time is short. So let's leave it like that. As we understand, as we hear, let's the story continue in our heart and now forevermore. Goodbye.
Ate whamalo ki a lamu asmat mai whanau, kena hawhai Manatu Melie. Ke tai koe ni koe kore mai first cousin Palei. Ke takari asmate kena hawhai me Manatu Melie mo ni hiwa. Kua te